How do you do? As I say, my name is Ralph Victory. I have the honour to be Ireland's ambassador here to Portugal, and it's a great pleasure to be here. And may I say, once again, what a really great venue. My first time being here, not my first time in Porto, and I was saying to a few colleagues this morning, we enjoyed being able to, I was here with my family a little bit ahead of time yesterday, and was able to enjoy this lovely city, and we got to see it in the sunshine as well, which was nice as well. But may I say to everybody, a particular Céad Míle Fáilte to all our distinguished guests, in particular to colleagues from Câmara Municipal de Porto and from Invest Porto, ladies and gentlemen. So absolutely delighted to be here in Porto this morning for this exciting and very welcome event. And I'm aware that today has been a long time in preparation and planning, with previous efforts to stage it, unfortunately, having been unsuccessful due to the global pandemic. But at least hopefully on the pandemic front, we can by now be somewhat more optimistic for the future, even if current events in Ukraine and their geopolitical and economic impacts on Europe and the world as a whole are obviously on all our minds. As on Taoiseach, Irish Prime Minister Micheál Martin observed last week at the Global Ireland Summit, which was held in Dublin, Ireland's economy is one of the most open and globalised in the world, drawing strength from its absolute adherence to rule of law and reliability. The Taoiseach also noted in his remarks that in order to be effective, Ireland needs to listen, to build new partnerships, and to be present in places where we have not previously been. And joining Taoiseach, Deputy Prime Minister Leo Varadkar last week in publishing Ireland's new trade and investment strategy, which is entitled Value for Ireland, Values for the World, and through which we intend to protect and grow our trade with other countries, Minister for Trade Promotion Robert Troy commented that global events will continue to pose challenges to all of us, but if we maintain our open, pro-trade outlook and continue to grow our global footprint, we will be better placed to navigate those challenges. So, in line with those viewpoints, I'm very much of the opinion that growing links between Ireland and Portugal, and in particular with Porto and the surrounding region, have become even more important, as together we seek to weather economic and other potential storms that may lie ahead. And today's conference is also timely from the perspective that it follows the recent election of Jeffrey Graham as chairperson of the Ireland-Portugal Business Network. Congratulations once again, Jeffrey, and very best wishes in your new role. But let me here also extend appreciation to outgoing chairperson Aoife Healy for all her commitment to the IPBN and towards creating an IPBN footprint here in Porto in particular. Thank you. And can I say, I didn't get a chance to say hello beforehand, but is Aisling Reardon here from Global Shares? Hi Aisling, good morning to you. And thank you very much for your support towards helping today's conference to happen. Very, very much appreciated. And thank you likewise to the colleagues from Câmara Municipal de Porto, Invest Porto and Porto Innovation Hub for kindly facilitating us. I look forward to more IPBN events and activities in Porto over the period ahead, and ultimately to a local board presence here, similar to those which are already operating in Lisbon and in the Algarve. And finally, just to place today's event in a little bit more context, I'm especially delighted that having just launched, as I mentioned, the Ireland's new trade and investment strategy, Minister Robert Troy will be joining us in Portugal next week to lead a trade mission organised by our colleagues in Enterprise Ireland, the Irish state agency who lead for us on export promotion matters. Minister Troy's programme, while he's here, will include an Embassy and Business Network and Enterprise Ireland hosted seminar on Ireland-Portugal trade relations. That'll take place on the morning of Friday 29th of April in Lisbon, and I hope that as many IPBN members as possible will be able to join us for that. And while on this occasion the Minister's programme will be focused mainly on Lisbon, I think events such as today's conference here in Porto mean that hopefully another future trade mission, perhaps here in Porto, may prove possible to arrange in the very near future. In the meantime, I wish you all a very successful conference, and I look forward to learning about the outcome of your exchanges. Thank you very much.